Next method for numerical solution of first order ordinary differential equation is Picard's method. This is the second method. The first one is what? The Taylor series method, and this is what? Picard's method. This is second method to solve first order partial differential equation, ordinary first order partial differential equation. So consider the partial differential, consider the not partial differential equation. This is the ordinary differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to fxy. So, and with initial condition y x naught is y naught, means what? X is x naught, then y is y naught. So x value of x is x naught and value of y is y naught, then y is y naught. So integrating from x naught to x. So shift this dx to right side, and then dy is equal to fxy dx. Then integrating both sides, we have from y naught to y and from x naught to x RHS fxy with respect to x, and this is with respect to y from y naught to y. So integrating both sides, we have this. Then integrating the LHS. So here is 1 dy. This is 1 dy, and then integration of 1 is what? Y. Integration of 1 is y from y naught to y, upper limit lower limit. Okay, and then this side as it is, that integration x naught to x fxy dx. Then the value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, that is value of y at y is y, and the value of y at y naught is y naught. So y means yx, that is y means is the function of x, so yx, right, in bracket x, or write either only y. So this is what? The value at upper limit, that is y minus y naught, value at the lower limit, and RHS as it is, then x naught to x fxy dx. Then shift this y naught to RHS, then it's become plus. So yx is y naught plus x naught to x fxy dx. This is suppose 4.4. Then to find the approximation to the solution yx of 4.4, we proceed as follows. Then we have to find the approximations for this yx. This yx is the solution of this differential equation, and we have to find the approximations to this yx or y. This is y only, right? Only here yx or just y. This is y, and its first approximation is denoted by this notation: y1, y raised to bracket in bracket 1. Write this x, or only write to y raised to 1. Then y raised to 2, y raised to n. This is the nth approximation. So step by step, we find the first approximation, second approximation, third approximation. So first approximation. So what is the formula? We substitute the for the first approximation, we substitute y is equal to y naught on the right side of the equation, this 4.4. So this is the equation. Here substitute y is equal to y naught. So what do we have? Y, and we have the first approximation, this yx, denoted by this yx as a y raised to in bracket 1x. That is the first approximation, and is what? Is equal to y naught, this y naught plus integration x naught to x f of x y naught. Just write here y as a y naught to find the first approximation. And what is y naught? This y naught is given in the problem. So it is the value of y. This is y naught, and this is x naught. So the initial condition y naught. So substitute y as a y naught in the 4.4, and then we have this. And the next step, and integrate. If we are in the problem, solving the problem, then integrate this equation, this function with respect to x. But the next approximation, the next step, we substitute y as y1x, this fresh value of this y on right side of the, again, 4.4. So here, to obtain the second approximation, substitute just y as y1x. That is the first approximation, y1x or y raised to 1. That is y1. That is the first approximation. So substitute. Then to obtain the third approximation, that is in the third step, in order to obtain y raised to 3x, substitute this y as a y2x. In this way, the nth step, after nth step, what we have? We have the nth approximation y raised to nx, like y raised to 2x, y naught plus, that is substitute this y as y raised to n minus 1 x. For y1 substitute y0 or y raised to 0, and for y2 x substitute y as a y raised to 1. In this way, for y3 x substitute y as y2 x. So for y and x substitute y as a y raised to n minus 1 x dx in 4.4. We get the nth approximation for y, and in this way we obtain the sequence of the approximations y1x, y2x, y3x, ynx, and this is the this last, that is find up to suppose y3x or y4x, and then that the final approximation is the approximate solution of the given differential equation, or the general solution of the given differential equation, that is ynx. So this n is depend on the problem. This ynx then becomes a approximate solution of the given differential equation. So this is the procedure of finding solution of the finding general solution of the differential equation, ordinary differential equation, by using Picard's method. So this is the problem. Find given dy by dx is x plus y with initial condition y0 is 1, means x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. Find approximately the value of y for x is equal to 0.1 and x is equal to 1. The method, obviously this is we are solve this problem. We will solve this problem by using Picard's method. So we also solve this problem by using Taylor's method, but here is the we are going to apply Picard's method. So fxy, this is the fxy, dy by dx is equal to fxy. This is fxy. Fxy is what? X plus y is fxy. Then y naught is what? Y naught or y raised to 0 is 1. The given initial condition. This is y0 or y raised to 0. Then by Picard's method, what is first approximation? y1. Y1 is this. Y1 is y0 integration x naught to x f of x y naught dx. So write this formula, x naught to x f x y naught dx. And then y naught is 1. Y naught is 1. And integration x naught is 0. X naught is 0. 0 to x f of x, and y0 is 1. Substitute y0 as 1 dx. And this is equal to here write equal to sign, the here in the place of this plus sign write equal to 1 plus integration 0 to x f of x comma 1. So what is the f of xy? F of xy is x plus y. So what is the f of x1 is x plus 1, and then its integration of x is what? X square by 2, and integration of 1 is x. So this is x square by 2 plus x from right in square bracket, this x square by 2 plus x from 0 to x, and that value at the upper limit is x square by 2 plus x, and the value at the lower limit is what? Is that is substitute x at 0, then the value is what? Is the value at the lower limit is what? Is 1. And then what we have? We have the answer x plus x square by 2. Don't write this plus 1. We have the answer x square by 2 plus x, because this plus x and minus 1 and plus 1 become 0. So right here x plus x square by 2. X plus x square by 2. Then next step y2. So obtain y2 by using this formula, y naught x naught to x integration x naught to x f of x y1 dx. This is the formula for y2. Y2x is what? Y naught integration x naught to x f x y1x, that is substitute y as y1x, that is substitute this what is the f of xy is x plus y. So y1 x plus y1, so y1 is x plus x square by 2. Don't write this plus 1. And then integrating, what do we get? The value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. So integration of this is what? This is x plus x is 2x. Its integration is x square by 2, 2 into x square by 2, that is x square, and the integration of x square by 2 is x cube by 6, and then the value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, we have this answer. Then x plus, then this is what is the integration of this factor is x square by 2 plus x. This is not 1, x square by 2 plus x, x square by 2 plus x, and then the value at the upper limit is x square by 2 plus x, x square by 2 plus x minus the value at 0 is 0. So this answer is correct, that y1 is 1 plus x square by 2. This answer is correct, because the integration of this factor is what, x square by 2 plus x, and the value at the upper limit is what, x square by 2 plus x. This is the value at upper limit minus value at the lower limit, that is we substitute x is 0, then we get the answer 0. So this answer is correct, this answer is correct. And then y2 is what, y0 plus integration x naught to x f of x y1, that is substitute y as y1, that is 1 plus x square by 2, and then its integration of this is what, the integration of 1 is x, the integration of 2x is x square, the integration of x square by 2 is x cube by 6, and this is the value at the upper limit, that is value at the x minus value at the 0 is 0. So we have this y2, that is the second approximation. Right here y raised to in bracket 2, and right here in x bracket in bracket x, y2x, either write y2x or just write y2. Then y3 is what, again y3 is y0 plus integration x naught to x f of x y2 dx, substitute y as a y2, and then we have this answer after integration and finding value at upper limit and value at lower limit. And we accept, we stop here for after third iterations, or find one more iterations, two more iterations. So after some steps, after third or fourth iterations, we accept that answer is a final answer of the problem. Obviously this is the approximate answer, so we accept x or y is equal to this quantity as a approximate solution of the given differential equation. This is the general solution of the this differential equation. And then particular solution, that is we have to find the particular solution when x is 0.1, 0.2, not 0.1. Then substitute x as a 0.2 in this equation. So here is yx, that is y at 0.2, substitute x as a 0.2, and by using calculator we have this answer 1.2427. Similarly, the next question is what, find x at find the solution at x is equal to 1, then substitute x is equal to 1, we have this answer. So next problem is again on the Picard's method. Y dash means dy by dx is what, dy by dx is what, is equal to 1 plus xy. Dy by dx, y dash is what, 1 plus x into y. X naught is 2 and y naught is 0. Given y is 0 when x is 2, means what is the given, y2 is equal to 0. If we write this condition in this form, then this is the given condition is what, y2 in bracket 2 is equal to 0. That is y is 0 when x is 2. That is y naught is 0, x naught is 2. Also find y at 2.05 correct to 4 decimal places. That is the first solve this Picard's method. That is we have to find its general solution, and then this the particular solution, that is the value of the solution at 2.05. So this is fxy, 1 plus x into y, x naught and y naught are given, and then write the Picard's general formula, or write y1, y2, y3. Solve this problem by this method, that is find y1, y2, y3, or directly write general formula ynx is what, y naught x naught to x f of x y n minus 1 x dx. So this formula, the Picard general formula, y raised to n is what, y naught x0 to x f of x y raised to n minus 1 x dx. So write this general formula and substitute the values. Y naught is 0, then x naught is 2, 2 to x, 1 plus x, 1 plus this value of this is x fxy. So x is x and y is y raised to n minus 1. So 1 plus x into y raised to n minus 1 dx. N runs from 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, if you substitute n is equal to 1, we get the first approximation. So y raised to n is what? The integration of 1 with respect to x is what? With respect to x is x. And its upper limit is x minus lower limit is minus 2. Okay, lower limit is 2. So this is what? Integration of 1 is x and its value at upper limit is x, value at lower limit is 2. So x minus value at upper limit minus value at lower limit, x minus 2 plus integration 2 to x, x into y raised to n minus 1 as it is dx. And then substitute y n as 1. Then what do we have? y1 is equal to x minus 2 in this formula. 2 to x, x, y raised to 0. If we substitute n is equal to 1, then we get y raised to 0 or y0. Y raised to 0 means y0. And y raised to 0 or y0 is 0. So we have the x minus 2 as a first approximation. Then second approximation, for second approximation, substitute here in formula, this formula, this n as 2. Then what do we have? Y raised to 2x is x minus 2 integration 2 to x, x into y raised to 1. Y raised to 1 is what? X minus 2. That is right, x into x minus 2, x into x minus 2 dx. And then integrating this. This is the x square minus 2x, x square integration x cube by 3 minus 2x integration x square from x equal to 2 to x. And then x minus 2, the value at the upper limit, that is substitute x as x, then we have this value, minus substitute x as 2, then we have this value, 8 by 3 minus 4, that is substitute x as 2, and we get this answer. This is the second approximation. Similarly, find y raised to 3, that is y3, third approximation, and we have this answer. What is y3? Similarly to this, y3, that is substitute n is equal to 3 in this formula 1, that is y3 is what? X minus 2 integration 2 to x, x into y raised to 2, that is x into y raised to 2 is this, x into this, then multiply by x and integrating and find the value at upper limit like this and find the value at the lower limit, we get this answer. And we finalize this y3 as a yx. We consider this y3 as a yx. After third iteration, stop the procedure, and the last answer is the, suppose the final answer. Obviously this is the approximate answer. So yx is this, minus 22 by 15 plus x minus x square by 3 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus x raised to 5 by 15 is an approximate solution of the given differential equation. This is the general solution. Then substitute x is equal to 2.05 because we had to find the value of the function, value of the solution at 2.05, that is the particular solution, up to correct up to 4 decimal places. That is consider the terms up to 4th degree term. So because we have to find the answer up to correct up to 4 decimal places, that is only consider the terms up to x raised to 4 by 4, that is up to this, and substitute x as a 2.05, that is calculate only this addition and subtraction of terms, that is after by substituting x as 2.05 we get this answer 0.0526, and this answer is correct up to 4 decimal places. And then next example, solve dy by dx y minus x y plus x y0 is 1 by Picard's method and find the value at point 1. So the given function f x y is what? Y minus x divided by y plus x. Y0 is 1 means y0 is 1 and x0 is y0 is 1 and x0 is 0. And then write the general formula of Picard's method. Y raised to n is y0, x0 to x, f of x, y raised to n minus 1 dx. And what is the value of the function f x y? Is y minus x divided by y plus. So what is the f of x y1? Y minus y1 minus x, yn minus 1 x, yn minus 1 plus x. That is by using this formula, find f of x y raised to n minus 1. That is replace y by y raised to n minus 1. This is the general Picard's formula. And then use this formula to find the y1, y2, y3, this general formula. Or instead of this, we can also apply the particular formula, that is find y1, find y2, y3, y4 by using Picard's particular formula. Like this first example, we can also solve the second example, this third example. So this is the third example. We can solve these 4.5 and 4.6 similarly to 4.4. Then substitute n is equal to 1. Then we get y1 is equal to 1 plus integration 0 to x, y raised to 0 means y0 minus x, y raised to 0 plus x. And y0 is what? Y0 is 1, because y0 is 1 means y is 1 if x is 0. That is y0 is 1 and x0 is 0. So 0 to x, 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. And integration of this is by using partial fractions. Right here 1 minus x as 1 plus x minus 2x, and then dividing by 1 plus x, or obtain the factorization of this is minus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus x. That is right, 1 minus x as 1 plus x minus 2x, and then 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x is 1, and minus 2x divided by 1 plus x becomes 2 by 1 plus x. Write this 1 minus x as 1 plus x minus 2x. So right here plus sign and here minus sign, because 1 plus x minus 2x is 1 minus x. So right here plus sign and here is minus sign. It's factorization. Right, this 1 minus x as 1 plus x minus 2x, because 1 plus x minus 2x is again 1 minus x. And then 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x is plus 1. Right here plus sign and right here minus sign, and minus 2x divided by 1 plus x. That is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. And then we have this answer. This is the factorization. I think this minus 1 sign is correct. This plus sign is correct. So write this 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, obtain its partial fractions. So what are the partial fractions? Its partial fractions are 1 plus a by 1 plus x. 1 plus a by 1 plus x, and then find value of a. So we get this answer. And then integrating. What is integration? Integration of minus 1 is minus x, and 2 by log 1 plus x. The integration of 1 by 1 plus x is log 1 plus x. And then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. Value at the 0 is 0. So we have this answer. This is the first approximation. Then take this as a final approximation, or again integrating, again find y2. Or this is the, suppose this is the last answer, and then we take y or yx as 1 minus x plus 2 log 1 plus x as an approximate solution or general solution of the general solution of the given differential equation. And hence we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1. Substitute x as a 0.1. We get this answer 1.0906. So next problem is y dash is equal to, that is fxy is what? X plus y square. This is fxy. Y0 is 1 means y0 is 1 and x0 is 0. Then write the general formula, or write the find the y1. Y1 is what? Y0 integration x naught to x f of x y naught dx. And what is f of x y naught? Is the x plus y square. That is x plus y naught square. Y naught is 1. So 1 square is 1, and then its integration is this. Value at the upper limit is the x square by 2 plus x. Value at the lower limit is 0. So 1 plus x square by 2. This is the first approximation, y1. Then find y2. For y2, substitute y as y1. So f of x y1 is what? of x plus y1. And what is y1? Y1 square, because fxy is what? Fxy is x plus y square. So f of x y1 is what? X plus y1 square. And what is y1? Y1 is this 1 plus x square by 2. So it's square. And then we have this answer, this value. Because fxy is what? X plus y square. And so f of x y1 is what? X plus y1 square. Y1 is this 1 plus x square by 2. It's square. And then substitute here the value of this quantity here. This is the 2 plus f of this square and the addition plus x. So it's 2x becomes 3x. So x plus, we have this answer, value of this x plus 1 plus x square by 2 square. So we have this answer after calculation of this. I think either this is wrong or this is wrong. Here is 1 plus 3x. So correct this figure, 1 plus 3x plus 2x square plus x cube. This both answer must be same. So its integration is what? X. Its integration is what? 3x square by 2. Its integration 2x cube by 3. X raised to 4 by 4. X raised to 5 by 20. And then value at the lower limit, value at the upper limit. 0 to x. So substitute x as x. We have this answer. And substitute x as 0. If we substitute x is equal to 0, then we have the 0 answer. So minus 0, no need to write minus 0. This is y2. Either correct these two answers, either this is wrong or this is wrong. Because both are f of x, y1. F of x, y1 is what? X plus y1 square. So either this is wrong or this is wrong. So correct this, correct these two answers, both are, must be same. Then next problem is what? This is the final answer. Suppose this is the final answer. Then write yx is equal to this as a general solution of the given differential equation. This. So up to first two iterations. So after completing two iterations, write this is the final answer. Then next problem is using Picard's method, obtain the series solution of this equation. So this is fxy, y0 is 1, means y0 is 1 and x0 is 0. So right here fxy is 1 plus x into y, then y0, and then what is f of x y0 is 1 plus x into y0. Y0 is 1, so 1 plus x. So substitute here 1 plus x, f of x y0, y1, formula for y1, integration, value at the upper limit, value at the lower limit. We have the answer 1 plus x square by 2. Then f of x y1, because here we have to write the value of f of x y1 is what? 1 plus x into y1, x into y1, because the formula for fxy is what? 1 plus x into y. So what is f of x into y1? What is f of x y1 is 1 plus x into y1, and y1 is this. So after calculation we have this answer and substitute here, and its integration, the value at upper limit is the same, that is substitute x as x, and then substitute x as 0. We have lower limit, value at lower limit is 0. We have this answer. So this is if you have to find the third iteration, suppose, then find f of x y2, because here is what is the formula for third iteration? Y3 is y0, integration x0 to x, f of x y2 dx, and this f of x y2 is what? 1 plus x into y2, 1 plus x into y2. Y2 is this. So this is the calculation of f of x y2, and then substitute here this f of x y2, and then integrating, and the value in bracket, lower limit is 0, upper limit is x, and the value at the upper limit is this, that is substitute x as x, then substitute x as 0. We have the answer 0, and this is the required solution of the given differential equation. That is right. We accept this y2 as a yx. So yx is equal to this is the approximate solution of the given differential equation. Then we have to find the y at point 1 correct up to 4 decimal places, and for this consider terms up to x raised to 4. So it is found that the terms up to x raised to 4 should be considered, because we have to find the value correct up to this 4 decimal places. So consider the terms up to this, that is substitute x as 0.1 up to this term. So we have this answer, that is substitute x as a 0.1 up to this 0.1 raised to 4 divided by 8, this last term, and then we have the answer 1.1053. So again, this is the problem on the Picard's method. So this is fxy, x plus y, x into x plus y into x raised to y0 is 3, means y0 is 0 and x0 is 0, and then this is f of x y naught is what, x plus y naught x raised to 4. Why is in this formula fxy, and y naught is 3, so write 3, y naught as 3, and then we have the first approximation. Here is substitute x y naught as a x plus 3 x raised to 4, and then we have after integration we have this answer, value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. So if we substitute x is equal to 0, then we have answer 0. So we have, this is the first approximation. Similarly, the second approximation, what is y2, y0 plus integration x naught to x f of x y1. So what is the value of f of x y1? X plus y1 x raised to 4, because the fxy is this, x plus y x raised to 4. If we write here y as a y1, then write y1 x raised to 4, and y1 is this 3 plus x square by 2 plus 3 x raised to 5 by 5 into x raised to 4. We have this, substitute here, and then integrating, find the value at the upper limit. This is the value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, y0 is 3, and the value at 0 is 0, and so this is the approximate answer of the given differential equation. Consider this as a yx, right? Last sentence here, therefore yx is equal to this, and then the value at 0.1 and value at the 0.2. So they substitute x is equal to 0.1 and x is equal to 0.2, we get these two values. So these are some exercise on the Picard's method. So same type problems, solve these problems by Picard's method, and the answer of some problems are given here. So solve all the exercise problems.